Okay, so this is the unboxing of our brand new pocket comb. So it comes in this box with like this foam cutout, so everything is nice and snug. Flip it. We got the name, and so talk about this a little bit. So we decided on this sort of shape here, this curved shape, so that you can kind of get it in and out of your pocket nice and easy. So this part kind of enters the pocket while it's a little more square over here. And then right here, I have a nice pointed tip here and a flat base here. So you invert it and you have a bottle opener. So if you are taking your pocket comb out, you're at a party or you're with friends or something, you'll always have a bottle opener with you. And with the teeth here, so we decided to go with longer teeth than you'll typically see in a pocket comb. And the reason for that is when your hair is thicker, the smaller teeth tend to get stuck, especially when you have product in your hair. And so this scenario is basically you've already done your hair during the day, and then you're going to restyle it, maybe 4 hours or 8 hours in, and you'll have an oily or waxy residue in your hair, and these larger teeth sort of help that out so that it doesn't snag or pull your hair. And we also gave generous spacing in here too. So when you restyle with this comb, you're not going to necessarily get those really tight lines that you start off with in the morning, but this is a really good restyler. Or if your hair's flattened during the day, these long teeth and the spacing here kind of allows you to get that volume back. And so if you really want to go for the volume, don't add any water to your hair. But if you want to get if you want to get the slickness back, then you would just add some water back to your hair and then use the comb, and hopefully you'd have enough product in your hair for it to stay. But that's depends how much product you use, the waxiness, a lot of things. And so that's kind of why we decided on this design for our pocket comb.